Hi, welcome back again to another video. On today's video, we'll be touring the biggest shopping mall here in Abuja, Nigeria. Now, the last time I came to the shopping mall, it was not like this, like the setting was not like this. A lot of things has changed. Some stores I used to buy something from are closed, they are no longer in the shopping mall, while new stores are open. I almost did not recognize this place anymore. And now, the time I left Abuja was just 2 years ago, if I'm not mistaken. 2 years or no, yeah, 2 years ago. It's not even up to 3 years when I left Abuja. So coming back, I realized that a lot of things has changed. Now you can find foreign stores in Abuja shopping mall. Foreign stores like Puma, we have Skechers, we have iStore, we have the Samsung, we have is this Sephora? No, we don't. I don't think there is Sephora. I can't remember. We also have the Miniso. We have oh my God, there are a lot of stores here that I forgot the name because they are much. So I was surprised to see a lot of brands. Okay, sorry. We also have Mango. You can see the Mango. We also have Burs. We also have Guess. I was so happy to see a lot of changes here in Abuja shopping mall. And I said, you know what? I'm not going to see these changes alone. I'm also going to film it so that you guys can also see it. I'm so happy for the changes. I won't lie. I'm so happy. So I was just walking around, exploring the whole place. It's giving abroad shopping mall. I don't know if I'm just exaggerating, but it is what it is. It's just giving abroad shopping mall. The everything is working, the escalator is working, like you don't have to go through the steps, whatever. So escalator is working, the lift is working, like the whole place is well organized. You can, if you are shopping and you are hungry, there is a place for you to eat. We have pizza downstairs, we have burger downstairs. We also have some other eatery downstairs and upstairs also. So if you are new here, I will advise for you to walk around to see how the place is. The only brand that is not here at the shopping mall yet is Zara. We don't have the Factor. We don't have what is it called? I forgot this name. This name H&M. We don't have which other more? I think I've mentioned the Factor. Which other brand? Yeah, I remember now. LC Wakiki. I don't know if some of you know this brand. So yeah, there are some brands that are not in the Abuja shopping mall yet. You see, this essence is giving Sephora. We have the Chanel, we have the, all the makeups you are looking for. You can also find them here. This store is giving Sephora, but it's not Sephora. So you can see the Puma, you can see the eye store, you can see, a lot of things. You also, can make your hair at the shopping mall. You see, you can do everything in one place. You make your hair in one place, you eat, you shop, you do whatever. And another thing I love most about the shopping mall is that they have a lot of restroom where you can eat yourself. You don't have to use, like, everybody don't have to use one restroom, or you stay in queue for you to use the restroom. So here they have up to 5 or 4 restroom, if I'm not mistaken, at this shopping mall, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I'm just going to allow you guys to enjoy the rest of this video, and please do well to hit on that subscribe icon, click on that post notification to keep you updated to see more of this video. Like, share, and comment. This is the only way you can support me. Thank you so much, guys. If there is a place or any clip I need to explain, I will do a voiceover. The reason why I'm doing a voiceover is because there is music playing on the background. So to avoid copyrights, I needed to do this voiceover. So yeah, you can see the cinema also. You can watch movie at the cinema. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. girlfriend saw the store called Price Wise, and we were about to pass, and I have to like come back to come and check. When I saw the price of the things here, oh my god, they are so affordable. Like you can get a school bag here for affordable price. This is not an advert. I'm just hooking you guys up on these good deals. If you're in Abuja, you should go check this place out. They have newborn baby wears, clothes. They have like any clothes you are looking for, they have it here. Now, because I said it's affordable, you might think, oh, the quality of the clothes is bad, is not good. They have like, how will I put it? The quality of the clothes is good and is affordable. Yes, you can see the price there. So I was so tempted to buy some palm for myself. There is this palm I bought here. Oh my god, it cost me 10,000 naira, and you can never find that palm elsewhere for that price. I kid you not. Like, even you wear the palm inside the rain, nothing is going to happen to it. It's pure leather. When I mean pure leather, it's pure leather. Like, things are so affordable here in the store. So even when I was looking around, I was seeing the shoes, I was like, oh my god, Lillian, why is that you don't have money? I would have shopped a lot of shoes for my nephews and for myself and my sisters. Yeah, this is the shoe, the palm I was talking about. This right here cost me 10,000 naira. My girlfriend wanted to buy, but her size was no longer available. So she has to, like, buy something else like jeans trouser. And you know how much jeans trouser cost. But she bought the jeans trouser for as low as 11,000 or 10,000, new one if I'm not mistaken. The tops are so good. I don't know if I show the video of the female top area. I don't think so, but if I did, you are going to be seeing it. If not, that means I didn't film it. So yeah, there are some shoes you will buy outside, and they sell it for like 15,000. They sell it for like 20,000, and it's not even better. The quality is bad. So over here, like I said, this is not an advert. I'm just hooking you guys up. If you're a corporate girlies, come here and buy your corporate shoe. Yeah, the shoe you can wear to your workspace. This place is for you. It is cheap, it is affordable, and the quality is top notch. And for those who are preparing for back to school for your children, you should also come here and buy the things you need. I was so upset that I didn't have enough money to buy some things for my nephews and for myself. I was so upset. So yeah, I'm just going to allow you guys to enjoy the rest of this video, and I will come back to explain if I need to explain more. 120,000. Now, another thing I love most about the shopping mall, Abuja shopping mall here in Nigeria, is the water view. I'm just showing you guys the artwork here. So, is the water view like after shopping, or let's say you are not doing any shopping, just want to relax and enjoy yourself, just come down to this water view. You can sit at this what's it called, Istanbul cafe or restaurant. You sit and you eat and enjoy the view, the lake view. Yeah, so I so much love it. There used to be an what is it, bicycle ride, that you ride a bicycle on top of the water. Is no more. I don't know why. I don't know what happened. It's no longer there. I wanted to go see if I can ride, but there was nobody there. So all I did was just to take some pictures. I don't know if I will be able to insert some of the pictures I took in this particular space. If I can, I will. Okay, maybe at the end of this video. So yeah, we have come to the end of this video, guys. We have come to the end of the story video, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If yes, do ensure to hit on that subscribe icon, click on that post notification to keep you updated, so that anytime I post, you won't miss out on anything, any video at all. And please do where to hit on that like icon for me. Comment what you think about this video. Have you been in Abuja shopping mall? Let me know under the comment section. Thank you guys once again for watching.